So what I'm actually saying is that our entire universe. Okay, so we think the universe is expanding, right? That's the common view right now. But if you look at the universe from every point in space and time, it's expanding. So maybe instead of
Wait,
the universe,
you said it has already expanded, or it is expanding, or it's not expanding.
current accepted scientific view is that the universe is expanding from every single point in space.
Right.
So if I were on a different galaxy, the universe would still look like it's expanding in all directions. And so what Galileo, got in trouble, right, was where he said that, well, hey, we're not actually, the sun's not actually going around the Earth, we're going around the sun. So it all has to do with relative motion. And what I'm saying is that instead of the universe actually expanding, it's all about perception. Our perception is being stretched based off of a shift of light speed acceleration. So from every point in the universe, it looks like the universe is expanding, but that's a perception being created by a Doppler shift of light speed acceleration towards a greater center.
But how do you?
So our entire universe is orbiting a greater center.
But how do you? When scientists study, they can measure the distance. The distance between galaxies is getting greater. That would allude to the idea that the universe is expanding, right?
Right. I mean, you could say that the length of the stretchness has to do with the amount of acceleration you're undergoing. Just trying to kind of relate it to, it's 5D relating to 4D. And so the closer you are to the center of time, the greater the gravitational field would be. And so as you get closer to the center of time, the universe would appear to be stretching more and more. Does that make sense? If you're in a certain gravitational field, you'd have a certain Doppler shift associated. So then you get to the point where you're even closer and closer to the center, which relates to R squared. So as you get closer, the stretchness becomes greater.
So the center of time is at the center of our time is at the center of the universe. And
well, it's the center of a fifth dimensional flow, and there could be multiple centers. So you know how we have planets? Our universe could become like a planet orbiting a greater sun, where there could be other planets. And that's what the whole Aquarius thing has a lot to do with. We're coming in line with one of those other planets, you could say.